I can also use R1 to order food. Get me a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut delivered to here. The most ordered option on the app is fine.
Ordering a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut. Since you mentioned that the most ordered option is fine, I will select that for you. I just created an order for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be hand-tossed with a classic marinara sauce and topped with regular cheese. Please confirm your order.
That sounds really good. I just confirmed the order here. Now I'm waiting for my pizza.
In an era where AI advancements are reshaping technology, a relatively unknown company, Rabbit Incorporated, has taken the industry by storm. Their latest creation, the R1 device, powered by their proprietary large action model, represents a leap in AI-assisted technology, offering a fresh perspective on human-machine interaction. A new paradigm in computing. Jesse, CEO of Rabbit Incorporated, introduced the R1 as a revolutionary blend of AI and consumer hardware. The Rabbit R1 doesn't look anything like a regular smartphone, and no, that bright orange shade isn't the only factor. This square tile-shaped device has a fairly small screen, a 360-degree rotating camera, a physical scroll wheel, 2 far-field microphones, and a push-to-talk button on the side. Everything you do on the phone happens with a combination of these tools. To use the R1, you need to push the side button and give it a voice command, and it will get the task done on the apps connected to the OS. It supports a bunch of popular apps, including YouTube Music, Amazon, DoorDash, and Uber. You can ask it to play a song on Spotify, or even place food orders after confirming the payment. As previously said, with complex tasks, the Rabbit R1 can, for instance, book your flight tickets on one app and hotel using the second app with a single command. And all this is meant to happen without you needing to lift a finger. Rabbit stressed that the phone respects your privacy, since it starts listening only when you press the side button, while the rotating camera also gets blocked when not in use. The company claims that the response time is fairly minimal, even though the processing happens in the cloud, and the phone has long-term memory to fine-tune future responses based on your preferences. The Rabbit R1 currently supports English, but there are plans to add more international languages like French, German, Hindi, Japanese, and Spanish. Since all the processing happens in the cloud, the phone doesn't need a lot of horsepower. The Rabbit R1 comes with a modest MediaTek P35 processor along with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It supports 4G, has a basic 2.88-inch touchscreen, a 1000 mAh battery, and an 8MP camera. For such a novel device that the company wants to be adopted widely, the Rabbit R1 is priced at just $200, making it relatively affordable as far as smartphones go. That's why so many people have already pre-ordered one, and you can too. Right now from the official website, with shipments expected to begin by late March 2024.